In this video, I will show you how to reset your Roblox password without an email address. And if this video does help you out today, please consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like on the video, and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. With that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So as you can see, I'm here on my desktop. I've got an internet browser open ready, and the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to roblox.com. Then you want to put a / and then put login. This is going to take you directly to the login screen for Roblox. So the first thing you're going to want to do, of course, is going to ask you to enter your email and password, but we're assuming in this tutorial today that you haven't got your email and you want to try and retrieve your password. So if you look underneath the login box, you've got the forgot password or username link. First of all, you want to go ahead and give that a click. So what it's going to do is actually going to ask you to enter your email address, but if you don't have this for any reason, then what you can actually do, you can actually use your phone number to reset your password. So you'll see that under the submit box here, there's a link here which says use your phone number to reset password. So if you go ahead and give that a click, you can actually put your phone number into here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And of course, I've blurred out my number just for security reasons. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter that in. And then what you want to do is hit the submit button down here. So after a minute, what it's going to do, it's going to send a 6-digit code to your phone. So it's just going to take a minute to come through, and that's just come through on my phone now. So what I'm going to do is just enter this into here, and then click the verify button down here. Now you see what's going to happen, it's actually going to do this, and what it's going to do is going to take me to a password reset screen. So what you can now do is go ahead and enter a new password into here, just like so, and you just want to reconfirm the password as well, and once that's done, just go ahead and click the submit button here. After a minute or two, that's going to go through, authorize it, and it's going to log you back into your account. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. If it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to drop a like on the video and also consider subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.